What's up? In this video, we're going to talk about combining like terms. When I think about like terms, I think about things that match or look the same. So when I hear combining like terms in my brain, I think about adding matches. What are matches? Matches are variables that are all the same. So when you're combining like terms, you're looking for the same letters so you can add them all up. All right. Another type of matches we're looking for are constants. Constants are the plain numbers or the numbers that don't have variables attached to them. So when you have a whole bunch of plain numbers or constants, you can add them all up and get a big total. That's what we're looking for. Let's check out these examples. This is the question that we are trying to answer. How many altogether? This is what you're doing when you're combining like terms. So here we have a bunch of R's. How many R's is it? Before you answer that, when you have a variable that doesn't have a number in the front, there's really an invisible one in front of it. So this expression, R plus R plus R, is the same thing as 1R plus 1R plus 1R. Anytime you have variables that don't have a number in the front, you can write in a 1 to help you when you're combining like terms. So now it's kind of easier for you to work out. You can just say, all right, cool. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3R. All right, pretty simple, right? Let's move on to the next one. So the question is, how many all together? All right, so we've got 7 H's on the left. We want to add 3 more H's on the right. So just add the numbers, 7 plus 3. These numbers are called coefficients. They're the numbers that are attached to the variable. So 7 plus 3 gives us 10H. So the coefficient is 10 because we added the 7 and the 3. Bam, we got 10. Let's get some other examples down here. Remember, the question we're answering is how many altogether? So look at this one, the orange one. Let's say I have 78 bucks and I owe you $38. Somehow I don't think that would happen. But anyway, I have 78, I owe you 38. I have to pay you from the 78 I have. So once I pay you, how much would I have left? 40 bucks. 78 plus negative 38 is the same thing as 78 minus 38. All right, let's take a look at this tealish, greenish, bluish question here. We're trying to answer how many all together. So here we have 3 terms. So we could just take it piece by piece. We can only take care of 2 at a time. So I think I will start with the first 2, negative 23 plus 17. So that's like, I owe you $23, but I don't have it all right now. I have 17 that I can give you. So I'll give you what I have. So this requires that we subtract. Since the signs are different, we want to subtract, kind of like we did for the orange question. So 23 minus 17 is 6, but which one do I have more of? Do I have more negatives or more positives? Well, since I had more that were negative, or I owed you more than what I actually had, that means the result will be negative 6. But then I still have to subtract the 4 at the end. All right, so negative 6 minus 4, what I can do so I don't mess myself up is make this an addition problem. So keep the first, change this to addition, and make this the opposite of what it was. So I owe somebody $6, and then I owe somebody else $4. Altogether, I owe $10. So that's combining like terms. I hope that helps you out, and I wish you well while you work independently. See you next time.